So, why are work zones so hazardous? Many of the crashes that occur in work zones are the result of changed traffic patterns, unexpected construction personnel in the road, moved lane markings, and unexpected reductions in speed. Here is a scenario where you are driving in a work zone. What clues do you see that indicate potential hazards? In this scenario, you should first notice the warning signs indicating you are entering a work zone. Second, you should notice the sign indicating your travel lane is ending. This is your second clue of a potential hazard, and at this point you should slow down and change lanes. Even though it is dark, you should also notice that the vehicles in front of you are changing lanes. This is your third clue there is a hazard ahead. The combination of these warning signs should indicate a hazard in your lane ahead, and you should take precautions by slowing down and changing lanes.